How to rank your YouTube videos to be at the top Google page. 1. Video length. Your video length must not be more than 2 minutes, at least 2 seconds. Video name. Do a little research to find out keywords that can bring viewers' attention to your video, like how to do this, how to find this, tutorial on this, do you know this, find out more on this. 3. Video description. First and foremost, add a link to your website or the rest of your videos to direct viewers to the rest of your videos. Describe the content of your videos at the end of your views. 3. Create a playlist. Invite the viewer to know the rest of your videos. 5. Custom thumbnails. Make a very attractive image or any thumbnail that can bring people's attention to your video or channel. 6. Push to social platforms. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Tell your friends, invite your friends, share with your friends, ask your friends to share with their friends for more viral and more viewers. 7. Build links and embed. Make every video to be downloadable or to be shareable to any social media. For more tips and secrets, thumbs up the subscription button or notification bell.